Thank you for coming back to my channel for a stimulus check update. Y'all, Mark Cuban, you know the guy from Shark Tank, he's dipping his 2 cents worth into this mix now. He's saying that they should give everybody a card loaded up with $1,000, and you have to spend it within 2 weeks or the money will be gone. This is a way to force us to spend the stimulus money instead of saving it for when we really need it. Mark Cuban, remember, is a multimillionaire, just like all them other politicians. Donald Trump is saying that he wants to see the money return back into the economy because so far it hadn't. Would he stop and think about what he's saying there? He wants us to spend the money, but yet almost 75% of the country is closed down. Where are we going to spend it at? Open the damn country up so we can spend it. I am so tired of these panty-waist politicians playing games with us. They're multimillionaires and billionaires. They're so out of touch with real people. I'm about ready to say let's fire them all and replace every one of them. Donald Trump says when he gets this stimulus bill from the Democrats, it's going to be dead in the water. It sounds like he's not even trying. Before he even does anything, he says it's dead in the water. Come on, Mr. President. I've been for you ever since you started your journey into being a politician years ago. I'm beginning to change my mind a little bit. Nancy Pelosi. She was asked what did she think about Mitch McConnell's comment about not being in a hurry. She said, "Don't waste my time with what they say." Well, if they can't communicate back and forth together, nothing will ever get done. I am so tired of these leaders acting like this. Come on, leaders, act like leaders. You all act like a bunch of babies that needs a clean diaper. A lot of people are hurting. They need this money. Give it to them. A lot of people lost their jobs. A lot of people hadn't got hurt at all. I'm doing good. I wasn't hurt. I work here at home on the internet. But there's millions of people out there that can't say that. They need help. Help them. That's what you're there for. That's what we voted you in office for. It's time for us to stand up and take our country back and open it up. Take back our freedoms to supply a good living for our family. We've already learned through this that we can't depend on the government. Elon Musk can open up his country without going to jail. Shelley Luther opened up her salon in Texas. She went to jail. So what's the difference? Elon Musk is a multi-billionaire. Shelley Luther is one of us. The politicians are playing games. I am so sick of these panty-waist drains on America. Do what you was elected to do. Get out of our bank. Get out of our life and run the country. Help the people. That's what you was elected for. Y'all, we're going to get out of this thing. But both sides, Democrats and Republicans, are making it hard. I think come November, we need to take a strong, hard look about who we're voting for. People, most of the time when if you're a Republican, you vote all Republican. If you're Democrat, you vote all Democrat. I think it's time to get away from that and vote for the person. I've always been Republican, but the way they're handling the stimulus thing and this whole pandemic thing, I'm about to change my mind on that. Y'all, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs down if you want to. Leave me your comments. Give me your hate. I love my haters too. Subscribe to my channel. You know I make these videos every day. So come back tomorrow and I'll have something else for you. I hope maybe tomorrow I'll have some better news for you. I love you all. Ciao.